Here's another use of custom forms. In CloudBolt, if you wanted to have a blueprint that would, in this example, create a firewall rule, and you wanted to deploy that blueprint multiple times, you'd have to do it as each one is a separate blueprint that you fill out and submit. With custom forms, we can turn this into a dynamic panel where we can add in our information for what the source, destination, and port is, and then we can just add a new one. The nice thing about this form is I'm able to do validation across these fields. So we can determine, hey, these must be, this is required, this one must be in this format, and this one must be in this format as well. And all of this happens before they actually submit the order so that they can go through and make the changes on the order. Then submit one order to fill in all of their firewall rules. If we take a look at how we did this, so the firewall rule information is mapped to a single action input in our build step. And then for the fields, we have them marked as required. And for the ones that need the regex validation on, if we come over here to validation, we have our error message if it's required and they do not provide it. And then we build a validator. So here's our error message and here's the regex expression. On our actual code, we have the one action input parameter to hold the value from that panel with all of the different rules. And then we can just loop through these rules and print them to the screen. One of the interesting things was the custom forms returns this value with single ticks around all of the values. So here I'm doing a replace to replace the single tick with the double quote. And once I replace it with a double quote, I'm able to use the JSON loads, load my information in, and everything goes perfectly.